So stop what you're doing if you post links to monthly reports or to PDFs in general. Watch this video. I feel like it's pretty much an internet epidemic, especially on LinkedIn. I think people just don't really know the best practices, but when I'm surfing LinkedIn on my phone, the last thing that I want to do is open a PDF or automatically download a PDF to my phone. Do you know how hard it is to actually read a PDF on your phone? You have to zoom in. This is me making the PDF bigger, and then kind of like thumb around so that you can get to all the columns and read everything. It's just not user friendly. While PDFs are great for printing things out or reading them on your desktop, or maybe you have a document that you want formatted correctly, that's all amazing. But tell me first that you're linking me to a PDF, so I'm not surprised when I open it. Just don't fucking do it. Can you please stop linking me to PDFs? Have a landing page that you're pushing people to, and then on that landing page have something like download the PDF now or whatever it may be. But don't just like blindly tell people click below and not tell them that they're going to be opening a PDF. I don't want to download these things to my phone or have like the text from the PDF actually on the website as HTML and then have a PDF that's printable. So I guess I'm trying to say is don't link to PDFs because it's not best practice and it's fucking annoying. Thanks.